Here, we're being asked about factoring, and when you're doing factoring, you always want to be on the lookout. Here, we're being asked about factoring, and when you're factoring, you always want to be on the lookout for the GCF first. So what is the greatest common factor between 2x cubed, 20x squared, and 18x? And what is the biggest number we can divide these all by? And that is 2. And what's the biggest number of x's that we can take out of all of them? And that's x. So we have 2x. When we divide it, we end up with x squared plus 10x plus 9. So we've got this factor off to the side, and now we're trying to figure out what to do with this. Well, a quadratic is in the format of ax squared plus bx plus c. And what we're seeing is a term in the b spot and a term in the c spot. So it's BC factoring. And in BC factoring, you need two numbers that add to the b and multiply to c. So what two numbers add to 10 and multiply to 9? Well, they're both positive, so it's a little easier. And the answer is 9 and 1. So we can factor this to x plus 9 and x plus 1. And if you were to FOIL that out, outer outer plus inner inner is going to give you that 10. So now we have it factored this way. And one of these factors is in a format of x plus b. And so these two are in a format of x plus some number. And they're saying b is simply the latter number in all of that. It's this number right here. So what is the smallest possible value of b? Our two choices for b are 9 and 1. So the smallest one is obviously the 1, and that's our answer.